Hi, so I'm going to do a recording for my final project since I will be on a track meet and I won't be able to present in my group. Basically, I wanted to showcase my instructional video that I made in the class because it took me the longest time to produce, and I feel like it'll be a good tool for my students to at least be able to watch as an example of what they can do, or as a way for them to make a PechaKucha presentation themselves. So the intended use is for book reports. So let me just kind of show you. So as I started out here in my video, I'm kind of explaining what the presentation is, and then a PechaKucha basically is a presentation that has illustrations, like just pictures that flash up on the screen, and they're timed. So like every 20 seconds you'll have a picture and it's supposed to go along with a script that you write. And so as you can see here from my video, I started off and I had lots of different pictures and quotes and things from in the novel. And I talk about the author, and it goes on and shows a bunch of different pictures. Mainly the presentation just has pictures. And so I'm talking and narrating the whole time in this presentation while these pictures are flashing, so they kind of remind me of what I meant to say in my script. And so the pictures are supposed to help enhance the script, not the script enhancing the pictures. And so at the end here I talk about the uses that you could do with a video like this in the classroom, and I show a movie clip about having good eye contact here when you present in front of a group of people. And basically that's the end of my video, and here's the credits. And so as you could see, the pros of the video, it would force your students to write a script. So they have to know what they're going to say each slide, and the picture is supposed to enhance their script. And the con would be if they don't prepare, it'll be obvious because the slides will go pretty fast and what they're saying won't really match up with the pictures. Additionally, I was thinking that I could use this teaching context for like a final project to make a video of a how-to essay. So students would have to video themselves demonstrating parts of their how-to essay, like how to build a birdhouse, something like that they decide to write about. And it'll typically be for 9th and 10th graders, since that's what I'm teaching next year in the fall. So those are my thoughts about the PechaKucha presentation that I did for my instructional teaching video. So thanks.